The Silent Stone and the Soaring Bird, a Story of Motion. In a quiet field bathed in golden light, a massive, ancient stone sat unmoved for centuries. It had weathered storms, witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, and remained undisturbed, locked in stillness. Until one day a curious boy named Aaron stumbled upon it during his wanderings. Fascinated, he pressed his small hands against the cold surface and pushed. At first nothing happened, but with effort the stone slowly shifted. In that simple moment, the universe whispered Newton's first law, the law of inertia. The stone had remained at rest, just as any object would, until acted upon by an unbalanced force, Aaron's determined push. And just like that, the ancient silence was broken by a lesson in motion. Years later, Aaron stood inside a gleaming spaceship far from Earth's green fields. As the engines roared to life, he felt the powerful pull of acceleration. The ship surged forward, cutting through the void of space like an arrow. Here, Newton's second law came alive, F equals ma. The force from the engines, applied to the massive body of the spacecraft, caused it to accelerate. Aaron smiled, realizing the same laws that governed a stone in a field also dictated the journey of stars. But the most beautiful lesson awaited him in the skies above a distant world. Standing beneath an alien sunset, he watched a magnificent bird take flight. With each powerful beat of its wings, it pushed air downward. In response, the bird soared upward, slicing through the sky with effortless grace. Aaron knew at once. Newton's third law: for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. From a silent stone on Earth to the thrust of engines in space and the lift of wings on an alien planet, the universe echoed the same three truths. These were not just laws on paper, but the very rhythm of reality. Aaron's journey, from a curious boy to an interstellar explorer, was a testament to the timeless power of Newton's laws. They weren't just rules of physics. They were the keys to unlocking the motion of everything around us. In every push, every flight, and every force, they whispered the secrets of the universe, waiting to be heard.